While I'm here, I've also been working on some live edits, helping the brand post some stories for their creators, and that's keeping me busy when I'm not shooting on the track. Hey, good morning. It's day 2 of the MotoGP, and we're heading out to the circuit to shoot the Q2 and the sprint today. Grandstand. Day 2 at the Sepang International Circuit, and today felt different. This was qualifying day at MotoGP2025, the day where everything gets sharper. The focus, the speed, the pressure. I wasn't just watching the fastest riders in the world, I was slowing them down, frame by frame, through my lens. These bikes are pure madness in real life. Blink and they're gone. But behind the camera, I got to savor every second. The lean angles, the way they hold on, push harder, and flex years of technique in just one corner. And now, the sprint. Who is going to be the fastest racer today? Watching some of the racers like Vanyaya, Pedro Acosta, Alex Marquez walking onto that track to the start line felt so surreal. To see it in real life and not on TV was something else. There was a moment today where it really hit me. I've come a long way. From sticking MotoGP posters on my bedroom wall to standing here at Sepang, actually shooting a MotoGP race weekend, possibly shooting the very posters I once dreamed about. This isn't just content for me now. This is a dream quietly coming true. At these speeds, you miss a lot if you only watch with your eyes. So I watched through my lens. Riders hanging off the bike like gravity doesn't exist. In slow motion, you really see it. The control, the precision, the trust between rider and machine. Every frame feels intentional, every movement earned. And then it's time to let loose.
podium. In third place, Fermin Aldegan, BKA Gresini Racing MotoGP. In second place, Alex Marquez, BKA Gresini Racing MotoGP. And today's winner, please welcome Pecco Bagnaia, Ducati Lenovo Team.
That was a very interesting sprint. Now it's time to go home and process the footage again. As I pack up for the day, I know this isn't the end. It's just the build-up. Because the final race is still coming. And I'll keep showing up, keep waiting, and keep shooting. So now we're doing some casual post-race meetup. Situation is slightly better. I have buttered veggies, boiled potatoes and rice. But boiled vegetables was not enough. Until the next dream rolls onto the grid. The final race edit coming up next.
Alright, next up, who can answer this simple question? What prize are we giving out tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. for our lucky draw session?
Yes!
Albert is the wrong answer.
Oh! Is it the tour box?
Sorry?
The top box.
The top box, exactly. The Maxia 5